Hey, what's good? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Twitch clips so you can post them on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram. And this is a free way to do it. It's super easy and it's super fast. All right, let's get into it. All right, y'all, check this website out. You can convert your Twitch clips to TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, and it is free. You can literally go right here, type in your username on Twitch, and then you can pick from your Twitch clips. Watch this. There's a couple different options to choose from. I personally like the split template, and it's free. You go in here, you put it directly to the size of your webcam. Boom, you hit accept. Make this a little bit smaller just so that it doesn't show your webcam. Boom, you hit accept, finish, and it'll make the clip for you. And voila, done in a minute or less. So this is what the final product looks like. Here we go. Yo, I punched him in the back of the head, bro. I jumped and punched him in the head.
From a 0-2.
Fuck yeah,
we are
baby.
Cracked.
Dude, we're fucking cracked. Oh! I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, if you could smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, it would help me out, as well as if you want to sub and turn notifications on for when I do other videos like this. I want to try to see as many small streamers succeed. There's no reason we all can't win. If you're interested in joining our Discord, we are the Unwanted Tribe. We're gamers and streamers working together towards our common goals. My goal is to help others. That's what I want to do. The Discord link is down below. I also stream on Twitch Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 11 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If this video helped you, why don't you pop in? That'd be awesome. Have a great rest of your day, y'all. I appreciate you. Stay excellent.